Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Moz and Ranktracker. So to get started with the side-by-side comparison about these two SEO platforms. So Moz in 2025 remained a trusted all-round SEO suite offering keyword research, site audit, backlink analytics, and its famous domain authority metric. Its clean interface, vast learning resources, and reliable data make it a favorite for marketers and agencies who want a well-established tools set with strong support and a proven track record. It's popularly good for long-term strategies, competitive research, and tracking overall SEO health in one dashboard. Ranktracker, meanwhile, has grown into a leaner, more affordable alternative with a focus on precise ranking monitoring, keyword suggestions, customizable reporting. It's ideal for smaller teams or individuals who want a real-time tracking data and actionable keyword insight without the heavier cost of a large platform. And here's our conclusion. Choose Moz if you want a comprehensive established SEO powerhouse with a deep analytics, but go with Ranktracker if you are after a budget-friendly focus tools or tracking and improving ranking quality. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.